Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to clear Claude AI cache. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If Claude is running slowly, showing old information, or behaving unexpectedly, clearing the cache can help refresh the app. First, open Claude AI and access the main menu from the top left. Depending on your version, you can open it from the menu icon, profile icon, or settings area. Next, go to Help section and then open Troubleshooting. Inside this section, look for the option called Clear Cache and Restart. Click that option to proceed and confirm if a message appears. Claude will automatically close and restart while clearing temporary files. After the app reopens, give it a few moments to reload. The first launch may be slightly slower because the app is rebuilding fresh cache files. You may have to sign into account again. Clearing the cache will not remove your account or cloud-based conversations. It only removes temporary files that can sometimes cause issues. And that's it! So that's basically how you can clear Claude AI cache. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.